Today in this video we will again learn how to arrange and add the numbers. Okay, first we have to arrange all the given numbers in column. After that we have to add the numbers. Then what we have to remember, always write ones digit in ones column, tens in tens, hundreds in hundreds, and thousands in thousands, 10,000s in 10,000s, lakhs in lakhs, 10 lakhs in 10 lakhs, and crores in crores. Then here are the numbers given. This is 3-digit number, this is 4-digit number, this is 5-digit number, and this is 6-digit number. Then at first we have to arrange in column. Then we write here solution 257. Then at first write 257. Now always arrange the second number from this side to this side, means start from this 5, then exactly this 5 we have to write here, then 6, then 6 here, this 4 here, this 3 here. This is the arrangement, exactly 5, because this is ones, this is also ones. Then arrange all ones digit in one column, tens in tens column. Now we start to arrange from this side to this side. This side means this is 6. Then exactly here write 6. Then write 7. Then 9. Then 3. And then 4. Now this side to this side, write 2. Then 7. 9. This is 0. 5. And then this is the proper arrangement of the given numbers. After that we have to add the numbers. If you arrange in this way, for example 257 is given, after that 3465, then 43,976, then 2,50,972. Okay, then look here, this is ones digit, this is ones, this is ones, and this is also ones. Then look here, all these ones digit in one column. Look, then look here, all these ones digit in one column. This is tens, 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 and tens. Look. Okay, then all these are not in one column. Look, 5, 6, 7, 7. This is 100, 100, and 100. All these are not in one column. Means this is the wrong method or wrong manner to arrange the numbers. Then arrange in this way. First number if you want, then directly start from 7, 5, 2 like that. If you want directly in this way, then write first number only. Second number always start to write from this side to this side. Exactly ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and lakhs. Okay, then we start to add from this side to this side. Okay, then we started from this side. Then we have to add all these digits. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 is double digit. In this double digit, always write the ones digit below of this, because we add all these numbers, then write 0, ones digit here. The remaining number is 2. Then we have to carry 2 on the next column in this one. Then add first, remember, and to add the carry, then 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. If you forget to add the carry, then you will get here 25, and 25 is wrong, because carry is given, then we have to add. If carry is given, then we have to add at first. Then the addition of all these 2, 5, 6, 7 and 7 is 27. Then we always write the ones digit. What is the ones digit here? 7. The remaining number is 2, then we have to carry 2 here. Now add carry as well all these digits. plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 9 26. 26 is also double digit. Then we always write the ones digit. We add these numbers, then ones digit write here 6. The remaining number is 2. Then write here 2 and encircle the carry. Encircle the carry. Now this 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 0 8. This is the property of addition. If we add any number in 0 or 0 in any number, we get that number set. Then the number is 8. 8 is single digit. Then we will carry here. No, because already 8 is given. Our addition is 8 and already we written 8. There is no remaining number. Now 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is 9 and this 2. This is the addition. First we arrange the numbers in column. After that we add the numbers. Then we have to start from ones digit. Add all the ones digit. If carry is there, then carry that number. Add the carry. Then add all the digits. If carry is there, then carry, give carry and add all the carry. That carry and the numbers. Like that you have to solve this. Now next. Next question, arrange 4-digit number, 3-digit number, here 6-digit number and here 5-digit number is given. If you want, then you may arrange 3, 4, 5, 6 like that or in the given order. Okay, first given this, then write solution 5, 2, 7, 8. Now arrange this number from this side to this side. Then write here 2. Arrange this 9 here. This 1 here. Now this one. Now this is 3. This is 2. Then 3. Then 5. Then 7. Then 4. Now this number arrange from this side to this side. Then first write 3, then 2, then 9, then 2 and then 3. We arrange the numbers. This is the proper way to arrange and after that we have to add. Then add all the ones digit. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 3 16. 16 is double digit number. Then write ones digit 6 here and carry this 1 here. Add the carry and encircle the carry at first. Encircle the carry. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 9 17. 17 plus 2 19. 19 plus 2 21. Again we get here the double digit. Then write always only ones digit here because we added all these numbers. What is the remaining? 2. Then carry and encircle the carry. Add the carry. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 9 17. We add all these numbers. What is the adding that sum is we get there? 70. Then write ones digit 7 here. Carry this 1 here and encircle the carry. Now add 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 2 13. 13. Then write ones digit 3 here and carry 1 here and encircle the carry. Now add 1 7 and 3. 1 7 8 plus 3 11. 11 is also double digit. Then write here 1. Carry here. Encircle the carry 1 and add 4. What you will get here? 5. Then this is the right way and right manner to arrange the given numbers in column and